Broccoli, your daily nutritional boost. They say broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that does wonders for your well-being. Why? Because it's packed with many vitamins, antioxidants, and unique chemical compounds that do wonders for your body. In this video, we will walk through this excellence. This is the 7 amazing health benefits of broccoli. 1. Heart health. Broccoli is your heart's best friend. The fiber in broccoli helps keep your cholesterol levels in check, reducing the risk of heart problems. Have you heard of a phytochemical called sulforaphane? It's broccoli's secret weapon against inflammation. Sulforaphane has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The unique feature of sulforaphane is unlocked only when chopped or chewed. It combats chronic inflammation and helps protect against heart disease, diabetes, and digestion issues. 2. Blood pressure control. Potassium and magnesium in broccoli regulate your blood pressure, reducing stress on your heart. How? Potassium helps your body balance sodium levels, essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Magnesium, on the other hand, relaxes your blood vessels, further aiding blood pressure regulation. 3. Healthy blood vessels. Broccoli's nutrients keep your blood vessels flexible, allowing smooth blood flow. Healthy blood vessels reduce the risk of blockages and clots, lessening the strain on your heart and minimizing the chances of heart-related issues. Studies show that cruciferous contains substances such as fiber that help discourage plaque builds up inside your arteries, known as atherosclerosis. 4. Reducing the risk of cancer. But wait, there's more! Broccoli is a warrior against cancer. The antioxidants in broccoli help prevent DNA damage that can lead to cancer. This defense mechanism makes broccoli a powerful ally in your fight against cancer. Sulforaphane in broccoli fights against reducing the risks of breast, prostate, colon, and oral cancers. 5. Boosting immune health. Need an immune system boost? Broccoli's got you covered. Vitamin C, abundant in broccoli, provides various benefits for your immune health. Vitamin C strengthens your immune cells, making your body more resilient against infections and illnesses. As we said, broccoli is an excellent source of beta-carotene, potassium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and vitamins C and E, which support a robust immune system. 6. Improving skin health. Want a radiant skin? The nutrients in broccoli will give you that, contributing to skin health and giving you that natural glow. Vitamin A and zinc promote cell turnover and collagen production, the primary source for healthy skin. Broccoli also contains a carotenoid called lutein. It protects your skin from oxidative damage and keeps it healthy and wrinkle-free. 7. Reducing the risk of diabetes. And for those concerned about type 2 diabetes, broccoli plays a role here, too, helping to reduce the risk. Broccoli's low-calorie and high-fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can contribute to the development of diabetes. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants that protect your body from harmful free radicals. It also contains vitamin C, which can help improve your body's insulin use and lower the chance of getting type 2 diabetes. Broccoli has vitamin K, which improves your glucose metabolism, and vitamin A, which can reduce inflammation and keep you healthy. What is the best cooking method for broccoli? A healthy tip. Steam is the best way to minimize nutrient loss and get the maximum health benefits. Always cook it as quickly as possible to prevent nutrients from being destroyed by the heat. Boiling will lose some percentage of water-soluble minerals like calcium and iron and vitamins C and B. Also, most importantly, even though broccoli is great, we should use it in moderation with a balanced diet. Studies show some suffered side effects like flatulence or irritation in the bowels because of high fiber content. Disclaimer. The facts presented in this video are intended only for informational purposes. Contact a qualified healthcare provider for personalized advice tailored to your health needs. Broccoli nutrient composition. Now, it's a bit scientific. 1 cup, 90 g, of raw broccoli is very low calorie, just 35. But other nutrient facts are impressive. Origin and history of broccoli. Let's journey back in time and uncover broccoli's intriguing origin and history. Broccoli, a culinary gem, has its roots dating back to the Roman Empire. The word broccoli itself comes from the Italian broccoli, meaning cabbage sprout. Broccoli's ancestors were believed to have been cultivated in the Mediterranean region for centuries before spreading to other parts of the world. Other cruciferous vegetables. While broccoli shines bright, it's not the only star in the cruciferous family. Meet its cousins: kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, cabbage, collard greens, rutabaga, and turnips. These veggies share similar health benefits and make for a delicious and nutritious family reunion on your plate. So, next time you enjoy broccoli, remember its remarkable health benefits, rich history, and the friendly company it keeps in the cruciferous vegetable clan. Eat your veggies, be healthy. We hope you're as amazed as we are. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our exciting discoveries. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and stay healthy.